Hi there, and welcome to another issue of InSPAration Moments. I'm Dori, founder of InSPAration Management, and here we are in July already. Can you believe it? Half the year has gone by. Poof, gone. Before we know it, it's Thanksgiving and then Christmas. It's crazy. I can't believe how fast this year is just going by so quickly. We have a very busy month, the month of July. We have many events going on. The first thing we're doing is attending the aesthetic show in Vegas. If you have not been to the aesthetic show, you really should, especially if you have a Medi-Spa. It's one of the classiest conferences and most educational content, and it's just so much fun because it's different than any other conference. It is called the Aesthetic Show, and it is going to be Ed DeWin, and yours truly is speaking at this event. So you need to come and see me. I'll be speaking on Thursday in the business classes, and also on Sunday again. And we're also exhibiting. So make sure you stop by and say hello if you're going to be attending the aesthetic show. The other things we're doing is, of course, we have the recipe for success this month, and you've got to attend this one. It's going to be on July 10th, and it's all about how to introduce touch points into your guest experiences so you can increase retention. You know, it's all about retention. The higher your retention rate, the better, obviously, your guest experience is. So if you need help in improving your retention rate, this is definitely a module that you need to attend, and it is ideal, of course, for your team, because the entire recipes for success is all about team. So this is module number 6, so make sure you check that out. The other thing, of course, we have the Leap Ahead seminar. That's at the end of July. It's on July 29th, 30th, and 31st. I have to tell you, and I have to congratulate so many of the members, InSPAration Management members, titanium, platinum, bronze. They are soaring. As a matter of fact, I was just doing a coaching call with Coco from San Francisco the other day, and she informed me that her business is up by 71%. She's kicking butt. But so many of them are doing such a great job. But you know why? Because they are all Leap Ahead graduates, and they all have that blueprint for success. So if you have not attended the Leap Ahead yet, you need to reserve your seat and come and join us in July. We're almost sold out, so you need to do it fast. So those are all the things that are going on in the month of July. Of course, we have the featured article, which I'm going to be going over here in just a second. And it's all about a mid-year assessment. The mid-year assessment is so valuable to your business, because the last thing you want to do is wait till the end of the year to assess, and then it's too late. Just like they do in sports, they're always making adjustments during the game. They don't wait until the game is over. It's too late then. So make sure you watch or read the featured article that I have for you in this issue. So that would be a good thing for you to definitely read and watch. Now, the other thing is, I'm doing something very special this month, and that's going to be in the Bright Idea. Make sure you watch the Bright Idea, because I am inviting a special guest to do a webinar for you. Her name is Allison Avila, and she's an attorney, and she is going to be going over the how to be compliant. She's going to go over 10 ways to keep your medical spa and Medi-Spa practice in compliance with the law. So you definitely want to reserve your spot for that. It will be sold out for sure. We are doing a Zoom webinar, and it'll be great for you to register. It is going to be complimentary, so I'm doing this specifically for you to help you. So make sure you attend it. And that's look in below the content on when and where and how to reserve it. And then make sure you see the Dori recommends it's going to be about the touch points, giving you a couple of tips on that. And then the special of the month this month is going to be about the Clarity hiring system. And I just did the webinar a couple of days ago for you. I revamped the entire program and it's brand new and improved. So I would love for you to get your hands on the new and improved Clarity hiring system so you can start building the most effective team possible, build that dream team so you can really grow your business exponentially. So those are the things that we're going to have in the InSPAration Moment issue of July. So make sure you take advantage of all the great content I'm going to be sharing with you so it can help you improve your business. So stay tuned, and until next time, stay inspired.